Okay, remember that I cooked my potatoes? And what I did was I cooled them down, and then I basically took a little spatula and I mashed each one. I put them on a parchment paper. As you see, this is going to go in a small oven. It's not going to go in a real fancy oven. And then what I'm going to do is make like a little vinegar, like a little marinade for them. And then I have, oops, take that little seed out, half lemon juice, half extra virgin olive oil, and I'll probably put a little bit of salt, just a little salt, and a little bit of pepper. Okay, and then I'm going to take some pieces of garlic that I made, and some fresh rosemary, and I have some 21 seasonings. I'm going to put that in there, and then mix it up. I'm trying to do this. Just mix it up like that. And then what I'm going to do, we're going to have to take this off. Take a spoon. I mean, you can decorate these. You can put like little strands of rosemary on there. I'm just going to go ahead and just drizzle some of this on those potatoes. I'm just going to go in the oven. Just want to just kind of get enough just so that they can have a nice flavor. And just enough to, and you don't need to make a whole bunch. I'm just trying to figure out how to dress these things up. So I figure, why not just keep it simple, and then just kind of, and they're going to be so good. And you could use all kinds of salt on there. I mean, there's truffle salt you can get, and but I just have regular sea salt. Put some of that on there. Okay. And just kind of spread that just a little. Okay. Okay, and then you have it. There you have it. I'll probably sprinkle a little bit more salt on there. You kind of want them, you know, to have a little bit of flavor. And then what I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to show you how I'm just going to.
Searching for music for your next video? Then you need to check out our list.
Go ahead and. So this is some Parmesan cheese. What I'm going to do is just put that on top. Yeah. Some Parmesan cheese on there. Yeah, and that's going to make them extremely flavorful. And when they come out of the oven, when they come out, I'm going to add some basil to that. So that'll be really nice and colorful. So we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven. A very limited space here. So go ahead and put that. Okay, so I have put that in the oven. And turn that on. And let's put it on bake. And since my timer doesn't work, I'm going to have to keep an eye on this. Excuse me. So, I have been trying to figure out what would go well with those potatoes, and I have some cod, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a cod with a simple sauce. I don't know, maybe make a beurre blanc. I don't know. I know, beurre blanc and cod. Why not? So I'll show you what I'm going to do with that, and then I'm going to make a salad, a really quick toss salad with that, and I think that'll go really well with that. Okay. Talk to you soon. Right.